Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can freeze rows and columns in MS Excel. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geeks. So today we have two topics to learn. The first one, freeze pan. With this tool in MS Excel you can freeze columns, multiple columns and rows in MS Excel. And the second one is freeze column and rows for printing documents so that you can have repeated rows or columns on your every printed document page. So let's move on to our topic. We have sample sheet, this one with the order ID, order date, shipment detail, date, customer name, segment, country and etc. So currently if we are moving downwards, you have no idea that what it column says and what it about, like this one. So most of the time you have needed the repetition of this row on everywhere on every stage of Excel. So for this purpose, simply we will go to View tab. In View tab there is a freeze pan, this one. With the help of this you can freeze any column or any row. So we are going to freeze top row. Now the top row has been freezed. If we are going downward, then you can have a clear picture of your data with the detail of its description. Suppose if you want to freeze the first column, then you need to go to the freeze first column, this option. Now the row ID have been freezed successfully. Suppose you want to freeze the multiple rows or column, then you need to first unfreeze all pans, then select the like this one. Suppose you want to freeze these rows, then go to specific freeze pan. As you are observing that all the 8 rows have been freezed. In this way you can freeze multiple columns also. Now I am unfreezing the whole rows. One more trick is here. If you click on suppose row ID number 10, then you just freeze pan, then look what happened, that 9 rows have been freezed and 10th row is going upward. Let's have a look for another sample. I'm unfreezing. Suppose I have click on 5 and I will check the freeze pan, then you are observing that 5 is going upward, 1 minus rows have been freezed. If you want to freeze 20 rows, then you need to go to add 21 number, then unfreeze and freeze pan. Now 20 rows will be freezed like this one. So this is amazing. You can use for your office work, for your home. And the next option is, next tutorial is freeze for printing documents. Most of the time you have to print top row on every page of your printed document. Then you need to go to page layout. So page layout, then select this one, select the row which you want to repeat at top of every page. Then now these are multiple options. Print area, you want to specify print area you want to specify print title, row to repeat at top, row to repeat at the left. Suppose I want to repeat this row, selected here. Then if I want to repeat the first column also, then select here and select the column. As you are observing that both have been selected. Also here is a number, multiple another options for you, then click OK. Now I will check for print. As you are observing that the first column and row have been freezed for your printing documents. In this way, you can freeze multiple columns and top rows and columns for your document and for your printing documents. Thanks guys for watching and learning.